Hello, friends. Today I'm here with a secret that helped me to become pregnant. Out of the many things that I've tried, and of course, I was lucky enough to try all of them at the same time, this was one of it. And I'm sure it's gonna help you as well to conceive the baby of your dreams. What I'm talking about is a science which is there world over, but in different names, in different forms. What I'm exactly talking about is reflexology, acupressure, acupuncture types of things. Specifically, what I learned during my period of conception was this. Yes, Soul Guidance. It's by a writer, Holy Se. She's a Chinese Canadian and has written a really marvelous book. The book contains points which you can press for your uterus and ovary and can see really amazing results. It's like a miracle happening. I experienced it and I am the witness to it, and therefore I'm sharing this with you. There are basically points in your entire foot region. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to press the two specific points in your foot area, one for your ovary and the other one for your uterus. They are located at the inner and the outer side, but at the same location. And how you're going to press it, I'm going to say it in the video. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the reflexology point for ovaries and uterus. If this is my foot, then on the inside of the foot, I have to first find my ankle bone. Now, since this is my ankle bone, so the area behind the ankle bone and below the ankle bone is my uterus point. The first step in reflexology is to find the point. The uterus points comes out to be behind the ankle bone and below the ankle bone. Now the second step is lubricating this particular point, because I'm going to press this point first. What I'm doing is I'm taking some foot cream. And I'm applying it here and lubricating it really well. Plus I'm also lubricating my fingers, because I'll use my fingers to press the points. The book states that you should use your knuckles, but you can also use any pen to press the points, because that's easier. With knuckles, the knuckles get very rough. It causes friction and pain. Now that I have lubricated this point and I've lubricated my fingers also, I have to start with my right index finger turning into a knuckle and start from upside down. Now I lift my knuckle again and upside down, and I have to press really deep, upside down. I'm using the knuckle, upside down, and it pains a lot. It pains a lot because all the stress is being also taken by our reproductive organs. So I'm pressing it upside down. This particular point is supposed to be pressed this way, going from upside down, either with the help of your knuckle or with the help of a pen. And you have to do it for a minimum of 15 seconds in the starting. As time goes by, you can increase it to 45 seconds. So this is the point for the uterus. Coming on to the point of the ovary, I have to look at my foot and see the exterior, the outside part of my foot. Same, we have to first find the ankle bone. Now this is the ankle bone, and the area behind and below the ankle bone is the point for my ovaries. The second step is that I'll first take some foot cream and then I'll lubricate this particular area really well along with my fingers, because I'm going to press it with help of my knuckles. And I'll again start the same way. I'll press my knuckle from behind the ankle bone downwards. Again from behind to downwards. Behind, downwards. I'll do this for 15 seconds, and as time passes by, like when you're doing it on your 5th day, on your 6th day, or after 1 week continuously you're doing it, you can increase the time to 45 seconds. This is the point for the ovary. So the Points are located at the same place but on the exterior of my foot and on the interior of my foot. The interior part is the uterus and the exterior part is the ovary. And the pressing mechanism is the same. You can use your knuckle or pen and start from digging deep into the skin from upside down. Try this step and let me know what results did you get.